Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Samsung C&T Itfit device. First, ensure your Itfit device is fully charged for a smooth setup. Next, download the latest Samsung SmartThings app from your smartphone's app store. Once installed, power on your Itfit device and place it within 1 meter of your phone. This proximity helps establish a strong initial connection. Following these initial steps will prepare you for the pairing process. Now that your device is ready, open the SmartThings app on your smartphone. Tap the Add Device icon, which is usually a plus sign located in the top right corner. You can then select Scan for nearby devices or manually choose Itfit from the list of available devices. Once prompted, confirm the pairing request on both your smartphone and your Itfit device. This handshake completes the secure connection. With your Itfit device successfully connected, you can now personalize its settings. Within the SmartThings app, navigate to your Itfit device to access its specific options. Here, you can adjust notification preferences, customize sound profiles, and modify display options to match your personal style. Remember to regularly check for and install any available firmware updates to ensure you have the latest features and optimal performance from your device. If you encounter any issues during the connection process, don't worry. A common first step is to restart both your smartphone and your Itfit device, then attempt the pairing again. Also, double-check that Bluetooth is enabled on your smartphone and that your Itfit device is in discoverable mode. For persistent problems, refer to the comprehensive Itfit user manual or reach out to Samsung customer support for detailed assistance and troubleshooting guidance.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.